Welcome back to AYL. We're here at the Olympic Park. This is a great place to bring your family.
If you ever plan a trip to Salt Lake City or you're from here, this is a day you just have to do. I mean, you just have to come up here.
Tons of events.
Yeah, and you can buy different kinds of passes that will, get the gold ones because they're good pretty much everywhere.
Yes, definitely.
Yeah, just make a day of it. Of course, we've got a lot of stuff going on. I think the first order of business, let's find out who's our winner this week, Malia.
Yes. Well, this is the photo winner. He was spotted proudly displaying his AYL sticker on his car. Ellis Bringhurst is the winner of a Camp Chef Big Gas Grill.
I'm sure glad you used diction when you say that, Malia. I'm really glad that you're very clear about it.
Yes, congratulations, Ellis.
There you go. Now, there are a lot of things on our calendar of events. We don't have time to go over all of them. But the one I do want to point out is Ed Kennelly Ford's going to have the big EKF Casino Royale down at Utah Lake. So if you're a boater, this is the Polka Run of Polka Runs. Yes, there are going to be lots of high-performance boats that are going to go fast from spot to spot to get their cards. Doesn't really matter, because you can take your slow boat to China and still go pick up a card and have a great fun. We'll have food, it's got barbecue, we've got prizes to give away. It's a great fun event. We have it planned for the 6th of August down at Utah Lake at the Provo Boat Harbor.
It's the second annual Casino Royale boat run, and it was a great time last year.
Oh, it was awesome last year, and it would just be completely even better this year. We're over the top. We got all the bugs worked out, so At Your Leisure's proud to team up with Ed Kennelly and EKF Custom Boats, and this will be fun.
Oh yeah, great.
Bring
time.
your suntan lotion.
Yes,
You're
definitely.
gonna need it.
So everybody get your boat and come out to Casino Royale, and let's hear about next week's show.
All right, in just 7 days, join me, Stephen Heumann, and Alicia Reverman as we take in a bit of culture in a behind-the-scenes look at Festival City, USA. Actors and ATVs, what a combo. Then Corey Toon flies away into the sunset and is forced to sleep in a tent. We'll see how he handles that. Finally, cowboys are known for a lot of things, but poetry isn't always one of them. We're going to change that next week on AYL.